Nasa Gcash nga.
Good morning, my fellow students. Good morning, my fellow teachers.
Alright.
We're
Thank
gonna
you,
talk
Kuya. Thank you.
about
Thank you.
blood and good health.
Paano tayo next time? Magkakaharap ulit tayo sa ano?
It's equals to
Yan yung kaharap na
Bye.
hindi ka umuwi eh.
Sino?
Ikaw. Yan si Kuya Jojo, di ba? Kuya Joel.
Joel, ano hindi umuwi?
memorize these.
Sabi mo dyan? Aray ko!
I cannot edit it because it's information. Memorize this in my mouth. Bad and good health is for your body. And don't risk bad health because it might your stomach get hurt.
Ano mo?
Or see,
Ano ba kasi pinahirap?
it can be problem with hearing. And problem with your skin. And problem with your hair.
Ano?
And
Tawagan mo,
problem with your
nag-uwi.
hearing. And problem with your sight. And it could even damage your intestines. So, be careful of eating bad health. And good health is good for your body. It keeps you more seeing, more hair, more healthy skin, and more hearing. And it keeps your intestines
Painit ko na lang
to
yun.
be healthy.
Hindi mo na.
They can be strong.
Ulat daw na lang
So,
natin.
I'll give you a quiz.
Ang ulat ko ng bukas.
Di ba tayo na naman?
Diba say,
Ano?
Tutuan.
french fries?
Anong ginagawa mo?
Just right. G-H.
Kapit pa ipapakinabangan bukas ng 24.
B-H. If it's bad health,
Kaya mo nagsaing pa.
So,
Sabi ko mo
one.
nagsaing pa.
water.
Tatlong buko pa.
3 seconds.
Tatlong buko pa
3,
yan.
2, 1.
Tayo pa
G.
tayo bibenta.
G-H. Good health. French fries.
Bye.
Three
Ay, ano?
seconds.
Bakla pa yun ako
One,
man eh. Inaantok ako eh.
3.
B.
B-H.
Tinging
Bad
mani.
health.
B. Tinging mani.
Soda.
Hindi mo talaga ako binibigyan sa ate Angel lang.
1, 2, 3. BH. Bad health. Bye-bye, guys. See you to the next video. I love you all.